Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about an in-depth guide to Facebook Creator Studio. Let's get started. Facebook Creator Studio offers tools that content creators and publishers will need so that they can post, schedule, and manage the content of multiple Facebook pages and Instagram accounts efficiently. You don't have to switch from one platform to another to post content. It makes managing your content easier and saves you time. To use Creator Studio, you can use the URL business.facebook.com/creatorstudio. From Creator Studio's homepage, you can view the section where you can post content, add stories, upload videos, or go live. You can view the recommendations for each Facebook page. The section Monetization shows that your page is eligible to use one or more of the monetization tools. The next section shows you the new features that you must try out. Facebook is always innovating its features, so you might view different topics here that you must try out. Under Insights, you can view a summary of your page's performance during the last 7 days, such as people reached, engagement, link clicks, and comments. Recent Posts shows you the latest video that you have shared on your page during the last 7 days. You can filter by posts, video, live stream, premiere, photo, link, or text posts. Lastly, you can view a summary of the number of scheduled posts, drafts, and expiring posts. You can streamline your messages. You can manage your audience's interactions in one or multiple Facebook pages. You can view them all under the Inbox tab. It includes messages from your messenger, comments on your posts on Facebook and Instagram as well. You can cross-post videos on the different Facebook pages where you are an admin of. The Content Library allows you to view all the content that you have uploaded and shared from your Facebook pages. You can see an overview of your posts, including a thumbnail, a title, post status, date and time posted, the number of impressions, people reached, engagement, link clicks, if there are people who engaged on your posts, such as comments, shares, reactions, and if it's a video, it will show the number of times people viewed the first 3 seconds of your video and the first minute of the video. This can help you understand if your audiences liked your content. You can create playlists on Creator Studio. This allows you to organize the videos that you have uploaded effectively. You can review your page's insights, which shows metrics for videos that you have shared. Facebook wants you to create and upload more videos on Creator Studio. You can learn more about your viewers, such as their demographics, where your viewers are coming from, and how long people are watching your videos. You can monetize your content. Video content creators can earn from the videos that they share, but there are requirements to be eligible to earn from your videos. Publishers can set up instant articles to monetize their articles. You can earn by paid online events where guests can pay to attend. Other monetization tools where you must meet requirements to start earning are in-stream ads for on-demand, which are short ads that can be included in your videos so that you'll earn money. You can also create a fan subscription for your page by offering exclusive benefits and grow your community that supports your content. Stars can be sent to your page during your videos, such as live streams. In-stream ads for live can allow you to insert ads while you're doing a live stream. Brand Collabs Manager allows you to earn money from paid partnerships with brands by collaborating on creating and sharing content with your audience as well. Facebook Creator Studio can help you manage your social media effectively. Manage all pages, upload content, videos, start live streaming. Manage all messages in one place. As you grow your community and get more views on your videos, you can be eligible for monetizing your videos. If your Facebook or Instagram ads are underperforming, we have a marketing app that can help you squeeze out more sales, improve conversions with one simple change. It's called Ad Response. Ad Response will help you get positive ROI from campaigns that didn't make money earlier. Get more engagement and likes from interested visitors. Drive more traffic to your landing pages for more dollar spending. Ad Response is the easiest organic sales boost you'll get on your ads. Step 1 is to connect to your pages. Step 2 is to unleash it, and Ad Response automatically monitors your comment. Then finally reap it as you watch your trust and traffic build up. Try Ad Response now. Go to adresponse.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.